Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of September, 2024, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of -0.21. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 34.14% since we initially recommended purchasing CrowdStrike 54 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.63% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.92% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 28.37% and 48.52%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 7.48% over the next year, with a possible return fluctuating between -29.80% and 24.88%. This corresponds to a price range of between $244.01 to $434.06 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline, CrowdStrike stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The CrowdStrike stock price experienced a decline of 4.59% on the last, which was Wednesday, the 27/24, dropping from $364.30 to $347.59. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by 5.49%, with a low of $340.52 and a high of $359.22. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a slight decrease of 0.08%. The trading volume increased to 5 million shares on that day, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 11 million shares changed hands, amounting to about $3.72 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $398.30 and a lowest price of $200.81. Currently, the price stands 12.73%, or $50.71, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike Holdings, symbol CRWD, is experiencing a challenging day in the market following its third-quarter earnings report. The company exceeded earnings projections, showcasing a 13% rise in adjusted earnings per share and a significant 29% increase in revenue. However, shares fell by 6.1% after hours, reflecting investor apprehension regarding future guidance. The lingering effects of a major outage in July continue to impact sentiment, overshadowing the company's achievements. Nonetheless, analysts remain optimistic about CrowdStrike, pointing to strong adoption of its Falcon platform. The company achieved a remarkable milestone with an annual recurring revenue of $4 billion and $20 million, coupled with impressive customer retention rates. It reported a gross retention rate of 97% and a net retention rate of 115%. These figures indicate a resilient and committed customer base, fostering long-term growth potential. In the short term, the mixed reaction to the earnings report may lead to increased volatility as the market considers the implications of the guidance. However, the strong fundamentals and promising growth outlook may support the stock in the long run. Analyst price targets, such as Wedbush's $390, suggest substantial upside potential, reflecting confidence in CrowdStrike's ability to navigate upcoming challenges and seize the growing demand for cybersecurity solutions. Overall, while the immediate outlook may be uncertain, the foundation established by CrowdStrike's recent performance positions it well for future gains. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned CRWD a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned CRWD an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $358.40. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $324.88. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMAD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, November 22nd, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 6.63%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 54 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $314.92 and $299.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, CrowdStrike finds support just below today's level at $314.92. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $299.85 and $271.67. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $18.70 between high and low, or 5.49%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.90%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's briefly cover some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This significant ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. Currently, this notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with substantial market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at 347.88. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at 314.92. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Henry Shawn conducted an insider sell of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of November, 2024, Gandhi Samir K. executed an insider sell of 4,191 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of November, 2024, Gandhi Samir K. also conducted an insider sell of 442 shares of Class A common stock. On the 6th of November, 2024, Gandhi Samir K. proceeded with another insider sell of 403 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of November, 2024, Gandhi Samir K. conducted an insider sell of 144 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 30.059. Overall, insiders purchased 763,051 shares and sold 1,423,663 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $330.84, representing a decline of 4.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike exhibits several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open up at $1.52 and begin trading at $349.11. It's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.